This is the 2011-2017 Honda Odyssey. Before we get started, let me give a quick shout out to Mia Max Automotive for letting us use the car. They're a used car dealer here in Toronto. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now that's the third brake light right there. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver PH2, that's the size, a thick one, and a flathead screwdriver for this job. So let's go ahead, get the flathead screwdriver, put it in that notch right over there, and then gently pry the clip off. Gently, okay? The lens clip off. You don't want to break it. And that's it. You just have to pry it a little bit, then it comes right out easily. Same process for the left side one. Let's do that. Now that exposes the two screws inside it. Get the Phillips head screwdriver and take the screws off. Repeat the same process for the right side one as well. You can sort of shake the light and get the screws out. Right? Don't lose them. Now I've got both the screws. Let's get the light and it should come right out. That's the bulb holder right there, the black one. Simply twist it left like quarter of a turn and that will be loose. And then get the bulb holder out. That's the bulb right there. In order to get it out, simply pull it off and it will come right off. The bulb size is 921, single filament bulb 921. That's the bulb size number. Get the new 921 size bulb, put it back in. All you have to do is align the bulb with the pins over there and just align it, push it in. It's locked. Now let's put the bulb holder back into the light. Make sure it's sitting flush just like that. Right, you may have to twist it around a little bit, but yeah, see, that's looking good. Once it's sitting flush, all you have to do is twist it right and lock it in place. Now let's put the light back on. It just goes back in one way. And let's put the screws back on, tighten them down all the way. Repeat the process for the second screw. Now let's put those lens clips back on. The side where we sort of use the screwdriver, that goes in last. The other side goes in first. Push it in, it's locked. Same process for the other one. And that's pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful.